Hi everyone, we are live at Silicon Slopes. My name is Kristina Ayanian and I'm your host from Nasdaq. Joining me is CEO of Gadget Jason Ellis. Jason, thank you so much for being with us here today.
Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us more about Gadget and what you do?
Absolutely. Yeah, we have really started to look at the trends around consumers and the way that they're using mobile devices. And we love our tech. We certainly do, but we do feel like that every household is starting to have a challenge with the right balance. Mm-hmm. And so the vision for our company is to create a healthier relationship between humans and their tech.
Mm-hmm. And how are you doing that? How are you creating that healthier relationship?
You know, we had to start somewhere, mm-hmm. and we're starting with relatively basic consumer products. So think of things that you already buy, like mm-hmm. cases and screen protectors. That's a big business, multi-billion-dollar business just in the US, but there hasn't been a lot of innovation around those products. And so there's plenty of new science that we think we can implement into those, mm-hmm. and that new science can really help humans with the way that they're using tech.
And how are you protecting humans?
Great question. Again, I think it's really important for us to understand the usage patterns mm-hmm. and how these devices are being used. So trends of the age of consumer using a device continue to go down. The time that people are using devices continue to go up. The quantity of data being consumed goes up. Mm-hmm. The actual delivery format of the data is changing. So there's a lot of trends that are adverse to human health. Mm-hmm. And we're taking a look at those trends and figuring out new products that we can launch to solve that.
Can you be more specific about the products?
Yes. We're really focusing on 3 product segments. The first is radiation. Mm-hmm. Your mobile devices emit a low frequency radiation. Mm-hmm. There's good science on both sides of the argument as to whether or not that's harmful mm-hmm. to humans. What we've done is patented a technology that we call ALARA, and we're building products that can reduce the radiation around your mobile devices by up to 75%. The second product category we're really interested in is blue light. Mm-hmm. The more time that you spend on devices, there is, again, good science that it's harmful to your eyes. There's plenty of blue light products on the market, but there's not a regulatory body that really regulates whether those products are doing what they're supposed to. We've launched the first FDA-approved blue light product around mobile devices, and we're really proud of that. And the third category is germs, which I think is almost funny. We have these devices, they're in our hands all the time, they go with us everywhere, but nobody really has a consistent pattern of cleaning. A lot of people use their pants or their shirt or some kind of a cleaning wipe that was not built for tech. We've launched an EPA registered product that was built specifically for tech products, but it's EPA registered, so it's not harmful to you or children who are using that when you clean devices.
Yeah, I need to get my hands on that because I'm guilty of wiping my phone with wet wipes that probably aren't supposed to be on my phone.
That's right, yeah.
Why aren't more companies doing this?
Another great question. Most of the companies that are in this space are native to the space because they were about protecting devices. Mm-hmm. It was really, how do you protect your phone itself and the investment that you've made. We're trying to be the world's first two-way protection company where we put the human before the device, mm-hmm. and we try to find the right science that we can put into these consumer products that really have the human in mind. Mm-hmm. And so two-way protection.
Yeah, that's amazing. You're really reshaping the way we think about this. So thank you so much for joining us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.